So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So guys, first you have to come gigabyte.com and then you can see this is search box in the right side. Just click it and then enter your model number of motherboard B760M CV2 and then hit enter. Then click on the title of this motherboard B760M CV2. That on click. Then click on support. So this is your motherboard. Select your operating system which is using Windows 10 and 11. So both installations process same. Yeah. So select operating system. VLAN. WLAN means Wi-Fi. So extract the WLAN and Bluetooth. So this you can see this is Wi-Fi driver and click to download. Wait for complete and then open. So it is completed. Just open it. Extract. Double click on it. Then yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. It will take some time to installation. Okay, and then stop, close it.